One, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three. Not eight. Okay.
Overcount.
Right. It's okay. It's just a lot. Six. Wow, good. Hey, really, it's very good. Sounding really good too. Characters all there, bow articulations all there. Um, okay, let's start. Can I just hear? Okay, from the last page, measure 145. So that
One.
line is forte, correct? First line.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, you did forte. But on the next line, on measure 153,
Piano.
comes piano. Yeah, can I hear that from measure 145? Okay, wait. So at the last, let's try this. On the last two measures before the piano, can you put a decrescendo there? Okay, so that once we get to piano, it's really smoothly done on piano. Good. Okay, then start piano. The next one starts piano. For two lines, okay? Ian, for the next two lines, piano, you only will get loud, start a little bit loud.
Oh no.
Start a little bit louder on 169, okay? Try it. Not so much.
Ooh.
Not so much. Just mezzo forte, so just a tiny bit. We're gonna go crescendo by every measure, okay? The loudest should be on 173. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Start from piano. But Ian, six only, not eight.
Doesn't
It's
count.
becoming eight right now. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, try again, try again. Start piano, start piano. with this thumb, fun, fun, fun. It's actually very, very good. Okay, next page. Go backwards. Can you start in 129? Measure 129. Bum, bum, bum. Good. Okay. Here, we need to go soft here. On the last two measures, can you also put a decrescendo so that when you reach the last page, the forte will stand out? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Can you start on? Let's do the whole thing and then continue. Okay. So don't forget the decrescendo in the last two measures, and then once you go to the last page, it's forte. All right. Try again. Bum. Good. Wow, that's very good. Okay. Nice dynamics. What else did we put to work on? Oh, nothing more. That's it.
Oh.
Wow. Oh, wait, one last. When you get to. Okay. When you get to measure 49, so it's the other page. Yeah. Just make sure it's small bows. Okay? Da, 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 da. Okay, good. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's do three measures before that.
And
Now, small bows. Yes, exactly. Okay. Do you want to put? I don't know where you can put ready for small balls. Get ready, small balls. Can you write that somewhere? Maybe on the last measure before going to 49. Yeah. Just write. Get ready for small balls. All right. Can we start from measure 41, where piano is? Pum, 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 pum. run through La Folia, Fioco, Ramiro, and then the teenager
Sonata.
Sonata. Can we do that?
Okay, that.
Yes?
You have to memorize
Yeah,
Ian.
very good.
Alright.
You practice your review very well. Yeah, good job. I have very minimal remarks on the Napoleon. It's actually very good for you. Yeah, that's it. Galing ka.
Yay!
How do you feel yet?
Going to be tired.
Tired? You did so well. You're sounding very, very good. Okay, so run through their next lesson next week. Let's try
Okay.
it. Yeah?
Alright.
What's the next week? But Thursday. I think you can come here
Uh, March 20 or
Thursday.
21.
Yeah, March 20 or 21. I'll just come here na lang so I can see you in person also.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
Alright.
thank you,
See
thank
you
you.
on Sunday.
Yeah, see you on Sunday.